Hey everyone, welcome back to Stay Happy. Today I'm going to be reading you this book called Animals That Swim. Animals That Swim. I bet you know penguins swim. Look at this. His head is like above the water. But do you know elephants swim too? Like, see? Ta-da! An elephant swimming. This is an Asian elephant, by the way, if you didn't know. You might know hippopotamuses swim. It's short for hippo. Ta-da! They're huge. But do you know horses swim too? See? It's like an entire herd of horses swimming. So, yeah. You probably know dolphins swim. Oh look, a baby dolphin. So cute. Yay! I love dolphins so much. But do you know sloths swim too? Oh wow. Just wow. That is super surprising. Do they swim slow too, or do they, just let themselves get carried away by the water? Yeah, probably not. Anyways, perhaps you know manatees swim. Oopsie. Sorry for that. Perhaps you know manatees swim. This is a manatee. It's actually really cute. Did you know pigs swim too? See? Piggies. This looks like a wild boar. Anyways, lots of different animals swim. Do you swim too? Tell us down below in the comments. Just saying. Don't got to, but, just in case if you want to. The end. Okay, so, yeah. Visit a zoo and watch other surprising animal behaviors. Read books to learn why different animals swim. And, just go out there, explore animals, and don't trap yourself at home. I know we're all trapped at home because COVID-19 is annoying and it's ruining lives, sadly. But don't be a couch potato. Don't just sit like a potato on the couch and go, oh, look, I'm watching TV. There's nothing else in the world to do. Not true. So, don't be a couch potato. Yeah, so that is pretty much the end of this video. Be sure to subscribe, share, click the like button, and the notification bell. And I'll see you all next time. And don't forget to stay happy. Don't be a couch potato.